Hello everyone! Today you will learn how to debone a chicken. With this basic technique you will upgrade your culinary skills. It is also a great way to stay on a budget. Let's start!
Safety first. Place a wet towel under your chopping board to avoid slipping. Unpack and remove the truss. Stretch legs and wings. It will help to loosen the joints. Cut in between leg and body until you feel the bone under your knife. Then place one end under the leg and push it up until the joint pops out. Cut in between the joints. I am turning the chicken to show you the anatomy, but once you understand it, you can cut all the way in. To divide the two breasts, cut gently in the middle. The knife will naturally fall left or right. With the tip of the knife, follow the bone in a curved motion, all the way up to the wing bone. Once you find a joint, cut in between the bones. And your first breast is free. Repeat the process with the other breast. With a bit of practice, you will be able to complete this in a minute. The carcass is perfect for stock or demi-glace. Watch my video of how to make an amazing stock. For the leg, cut from the inside joint until you find the bone. Then pop it out to expose it. Cut in between the bones to divide the thigh from the drumstick. This part is optional. If you cut around the ankle once the chicken is cooked, the skin will shrink and expose nicely the bone. Once you locate the joint, it's easy to cut it in a straight motion. To debone the thigh, cut around the bone with the tip of the knife. And pinch under it until your finger shows on the other side. Perfect for a mini roulade. To remove the wing, cut the first joint near the breast. We trim off the excess skin following the shape of the breast. This chicken cut is called supreme. If you want to remove the wing completely, flip it and cut it in between the muscles. Now you have a beautiful chicken breast ready to be used. The offcuts can be used for the stock. With the wing removed from the supreme, you can make a chicken lollipop. Remove the meat from the top part of the bone. Pushing it down with your knife. Use the spine of the knife to make it easier, and turn it inside out. Ready to be fried. The other part of the wing can be divided in two. The flat wing tips can be used for spicy buffalo wings. The top wings are rich in collagen, perfect for soups or broths. Once you know where to cut, it's faster and cleaner. For a reasonable price and less than 10 minutes, you will have one carcass for a 3-liter stock, 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, 2 breasts, 2 lollipops, 2 flat wings. A nice way to save money and learn a basic cuisine technique.